Jai Srimanarayana. 27th sloka from 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yajne tapasi dane cha sthitihi sat iti cha vuchyate karma chaiva tadardhiyam sat iti eva abhidhiyate. Om. Pleasing Sri Krishna Paramatma should be your goal for all your activities. Do not pay attention to side winds. Keep on saying Om Tat Sat by remembering Vedas, our scriptures, and Vedas' goal is Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely have you as my goal, and pleasing you as my goal for all my activities. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, I shall not pay attention to side winds of my activities. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep saying Om Tat Sat by remembering our scriptures, Vedas, and by realizing that Vedas' goal is you. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 359th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Brahmanas' wives, they made so many varieties of delicious food items and filled all of them in so many pots. Now they are all going towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then Nishidhyamanaha patibhihi bhratrubhihi bandhubhihi sutaihi. When they are going like that, their husbands, their brothers, their children, they try to stop them. But because those Brahmanas' wives' hearts are filled up with Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Dirghashrutaha Dhruta Ashayaha, their hearts are filled up with so many divine qualities of Sri Krishna Paramatma. And from so long time, they have been craving to see Krishna Paramatma. That craving is filled in their heart. And very strong desire to see Krishna Paramatma is completely filled up in their heart and mind. Because of all that, nobody could stop them. Finally, they have gone and now they are enjoying Krishna Darsanam. In the banks of the river Yamuna, in a beautiful park which is filled up with so many Asoka trees, there, along with friends Gopalas, along with his brother Balarama, Sri Krishna Paramatma is enjoying. How is he looking? Oka chelikani painoka cheyi chachi, veroka cheta leelabjamun vuchuvanin. Krishna Paramatma kept one of his hands on the shoulder of one of his friends, and with the second hand, Krishna Paramatma has taken one beautiful flower, lotus, and he is playing with that lotus with his fingers. Koppuna kandani kunni kuntalamulu. Some of his hair, which cannot be tied, that is coming and falling on his cheeks. Beautiful, curly, black, glowing hair is doing dance on the beautiful, so delicate cheeks of Krishna Paramatma. That is what now Brahmana's wives enjoying such a beautiful darshanam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 27th sloka. Yajne tapasi dane cha स्थितिः सत् इति च उच्यते। कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते। यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सत् इति च उच्यते। कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।